Good evening, friends. Actually, this video was to be shot about 2-3 days ago, but we made a lot of mistakes, so I had to delete it. So we are redoing it today because it's an important topic. I hope you all don't get offended because I've concentrated on the topic and I've concentrated on the underprivileged. But that underprivileged might not be considered only a human being. And so, yeah, I was talking about living beings. I know you get what I say. Living beings in the sense of people or animals who live. It could be your maid, could be a person on the road waiting for food. Just treat everybody equally. Could be a stray dog because we have pets at home. You know, it's our duty to give them food. So why not somebody on the road? Let it be a poor person or a stray dog, because and if a poor person would actually ask you for food, but a stray dog or somebody cannot. But even if a poor person, if you think of, some people feel गरीबों को देते हैं खाना एंड लोगों को आदत पड़ जाएगी भीख मांगने की. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Could you कभी कोई घर में आपके बुजुर्ग होता है, if they don't get food on time, you know how it feels. It feels very bad. As a person's age grows, they need food on time. 8 बजे बोलोगे तो 8 बजे का टाइम एडजस्ट करके वो 8 बजे ही खाते हैं. 8 का 8:30 बज जाओगे तो उनको भूख लगने लगती है. उनको दवा का टाइम होता है. सेम विद द पर्सन ऑन द रोड. एंड इफ यू think of some sheep or cow or any stray dog also, they can't ask you for food. At least we as humans can ask for. No? So I feel the title of my video today is, you might have read it, Feed the Underprivileged. Could it be any living being, not considerably only a human being, living being. Ants also drink water. Dogs also need food. Sheep also needs food. Cows also need grass. That's how we get milk. If there's no cow, there's no milk. And a cow needs to get pregnant for us to get milk. So you know how animals are contributing to the society, and how a person, a stranger on the road, a beggar on the road, is contributing to the society by just giving you bless. जीते रहो, वो कहते हैं ना, खुश रहो. बट पता नहीं आपको किस वक्त किसकी दुआ काम आ जाए. इन साई चरित्र, साई बाबा once said कि जब कोई जीव भूखा है, if any animal भूखा, कोई जानवर, बेजुबान जानवर भूखा है, तो समझ लेना मैं भूखा हूं. Because he went to, I think, Lakshmi. I read it in the Sai Charitra. Went to Lakshmi and he said, give me some rotis, I am feeling hungry. मैं कहा, लक्ष्मी मुझे भूख लगी है. Lakshmi was one of the main sevadaris and followers of Sai Baba in Shirdi that time. So he went to her and he said, मुझे भूख लगी है, give me something to eat, मुझे रोटी दे दो खाने को. Roti या bhakri, something she gave him. And then when she gave him the roti and she went inside, he saw saw I think one stray dog or two stray dogs, and उसको रोटी उसने साईं बाबा ने offered him the roti, and she came out and she asked him अपनी रोटी इसे क्यों खिला दी, for the dog, you know, why did you feed the dog? That he told her, when any जब कोई जानवर बेजुबान जानवर भूखा है तो समझ लेना मैं भूखा हूँ. When any speechless animal is hungry who can't speak, and I have given my food to somebody who can't speak, or an animal, just think that I have eaten and my stomach is full. Until they have not eaten, just think that I am hungry. You get what I say? Today my maid ordered a mobile for her son. Okay, I'm just broadening the topic a little bit. My maid ordered a phone for her son, and for schools and all being online, kids are not being able to attend schools. So गरीबों का भी यही हाल है ना. मतलब poor people also have the same thing. Her son is in the 10th standard. She needed a phone really badly. Okay, so and then she ordered a phone, and what I was coming to खाने की तो बात हो गई. That's very important also. When anybody needs something for an online school, maybe a book or a pen, घर पे है ना. स्कूल में वो फैसिलिटी है नहीं ना. स्कूल जैसी फैसिलिटी है नहीं. But whatever you can provide, maybe somebody, if you are well to do, मैं किसी की financial status we don't know. Maybe as of I am talking in a very broad prospect. But if you are well to do, एक मोबाइल खरीद के किसी को दे देना, या तो pay a part payment of the mobile, give them maybe a second hand laptop, थोड़े से पैसों में, even for free if you can afford, so that maybe किसी का भविष्य बढ़ेगा, कोई पढ़ेगा तो कोई तो दुआ तो लगेगी ना. Somebody in the 10th standard needs to attend to his studies very well. Maybe even if it's an online school, so they need phones and laptops like that. And how would a maid or somebody afford a laptop or a phone? Only if you and me can help them get that. So I can't say of how anybody's financial status is, but why not try? And if I can't do it, I'll ask some of my friends to help me with it, to give me some cash so that I can give it to some maid or some poor person's son to be educated. गेम खेलने के लिए फोन देने की बात तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग गिव देम अ लैपटॉप टू एंजॉय, बट somebody in the 10th standard needs to be also educated. They have rights to education. Our prime minister was sometime few years ago giving laptops to people in villages. Why can't we give one second hand laptop? हमारे घर में कोई सेकेंड हैंड लैपटॉप पड़ा होगा, कोई फोन पड़ा होगा, दे दो ना, किसी के काम आ जाएगा. दुआ मिलेगी. खाना खिलाओगे दुआ मिलेगी, थोड़ा पढ़ाओगे दुआ मिलेगी. इंसान, फॉर अ ह्यूमन बीइंग यू कैन टीच देम हाउ टू फिश ना, इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट गिविंग देम द फिश. So this is also kind of parting knowledge is a big thing. सिखों में भी कहते हैं ना, गुरु मानियो ग्रंथ. In Sikhism they always say, don't treat God as a God or a guru or something. Don't treat as a God as a guru, or don't किसी गुरु को भी गुरु, किसी इंसान को भी गुरु ना मानो, ना भगवान को गुरु मानो, बस वो जो ज्ञान है, जो किताब है, उसमें जो लिखा है, just listen to the vachans of the Gurdwara, and जो Guru मानियो ग्रंथ, it means from that time 500 550 years ago, that much time, when Guru Nanak said, Guru मानियो ग्रंथ, Guru Gobind Singh said कि खालसा पंथ की स्थापना हुई. After me, there is no Guru. Guru Gobind Singh said, but the knowledge is the Guru. Then how are we going to? हम तो गुरुद्वारे जाते हैं माथा टेकने. But what is the basic principle of going to the Gurudwara? We are actually bowing down to the knowledge. We are listening to the vachans. Guru मानियो ग्रंथ. ऐसा नहीं कहा कि गुरु किसी इंसान को मानियो. तो वी आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग वन चांस. बार बार ऐसे वायरसेस तो आने वाले नहीं, बार बार ऐसा मौका भी मिलेगा नहीं. आई एम टेलिंग यू ना, दिस ईयर हैज नॉट बीन गुड फॉर एनीबडी, बट इन अ वे, वेयर इज इट स्टॉपिंग अस फ्रॉम डूइंग एनीथिंग गुड? इज इट? सोचने वाली बात है ना. जो समथिंग व्हाट यू आर वेयरिंग, कोई कपड़ा वगैरह हो, पहन नहीं रहे हो, हाँ, पहन नहीं रहे हो, तो जस्ट गिव इट, बट गिव इट टू somebody needy. Like I'm talking about my mate's son, he really needs the phone. His studies are having a big loss of time. How is he going to pass his school? Your driver, if he's not coming on time, वो कहेगा बैटरी खत्म हो गई. जस्ट गिव हिम अ फोन. दिवाली में बोनस देने से अच्छा एक फोन दे दो. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स गुड इनफ व्हाट आई हैव सेड. It's not only food that can be given in charity, but what a person actually needs and is useful for a poor person, give that. Give with open hands, so you will receive blessing with open hearts. Thank you.